So when you log in, this is the final step to uploading your business plan. When you log in, make sure these boxes are ticked just by click on them or touch them if you are using phone. At the bottom, especially these materials, these course materials. Then you scroll down to submission, not booking of presentation. After submission, you can go ahead with you can switch it anyway. But when you come down here, I want you to look carefully. There are these clauses restricted, but one of them must not be restricted because it's now available for submission. So it is here that you belong, Southwest Incubation Center. You see Southeast, you see Northwest and Co. So, but this is where you belong, and that's where you submit your business plan. This person belongs to Southwest, I think either Makati or those Lagos, anywhere Lagos. So these are Southwest Incubation Center. So you have to open this link by a simple click. It will take you to where you will upload the business plan. It gives you a brief description of what you're expected to do on your business plan. Then you come down here and you would see add submission. Currently you have 26 days and 19 hours, and it's meant to end on 30th of this month, 12 a.m. So you go click on this add submission, scroll down, it says drag. You can drag and drop file here, and you can come here and click on add. The first icon here, it is for adding the business plan. You don't need to create a folder. Add, you go to upload a file, then you click on choose file. Here you have to select the business plan in question. I think the name is Courier Hair Salon. It's changed to PDF already. That is Courier Hair Salon PDF. Save this as. How would you want to save this? So I want it to be saved as the person's matric number. Remember, all your information are embedded in a matric number. As long as this matric number is attached to any of your documents, you are completely safe. It will always be known as your document. So when you type the matric number, the author, who is the owner, is the person that owns the business plan. Then you submit. You upload. So after uploading, it's already here with the matric number as the name. Then you save changes as the next step. Save changes. That's it. Come down here. It says file submission. You have submitted this. It's very unique. Everybody has their matric number, so you just use your matric number. That's the best way to differentiate who owns this from the other. You have now completed your submission, but it says here you can still make changes to your submission. As if you want to edit it, you can still go to edit submission. If you think you made a mistake, you can still go to edit submission, make your changes and save again. But I don't want to. I'm done. As long as I just click save changes, that's it. That's it. You can go down after submission of business plan. You are done with that. So you go down to presentation, booking your presentation. You still have your own active. Others are restricted. So you go to book your presentation time, date and mode. Answer the question. You click on this, answer the questions, and then it will show which day would you like. Look at the questions here. Which day would you like to make your presentation? You can choose any day. Choose any day. 4th December. Let's check. December. 4th December is Tuesday. So maybe I should just pick Sunday for her. 8th. And that's Saturday, 7th. 7th. So 7th or 8th. That's the 8th December Sunday. Maybe 12 noon. Let's say Saturday 4. Saturday, let's say Sunday 8. That's on Sunday 12 a.m. Sorry, 12 afternoon, 12 p.m. Then which mode? I would go for her on this online conferencing. Presentation at your incubation center. May not be your study center. So that's why if you choose to present at the incubation center, it might be another center within this zone, this southwest. It may not be, must not be your business, your study center. It could be another study center within that zone. Then you submit. That's it. So you must be online that day and that time for your presentation. You will be called upon, ask some questions, and you're done. It says your answers have been saved. Thank you. So that's it. That's it. You've submitted your business plan, you've booked your presentation. Write the date down, put the alarm on, maybe to remind you a day before the date, and then you get ready for that. Prepare yourself.